Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Measure and assemble ingredients first. 2 cups whole milk, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tsp vanilla, and 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin. Bloom the gelatin by sprinkling it over 1/4 cup cold water and let it sit for 5 minutes until spongy. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk gently until combined. Bringing eggs to room temperature prevents curdling. Pre-measure sugar and vanilla so you can work quickly when tempering warm milk into eggs, and prepare a fine mesh sieve for a silky finish. Place the milk and sugar in a saucepan and warm over medium heat, stirring constantly until sugar dissolves and milk reaches about 170 degrees F, just under simmering. Whisk eggs in a bowl and temper them by adding 1 ladle of hot milk at a time while whisking, then pour the tempered eggs slowly back into the saucepan. Stir continuously and cook gently until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Do not boil once thickened. Immediately remove from heat and stir in the bloomed gelatin and 1 tsp vanilla until dissolved. Immediately strain the cooked mixture through a fine mesh sieve into prepared individual molds or a single dish to remove any coagulated bits. Let the filled molds cool to room temperature for about 15 minutes, then transfer to the refrigerator uncovered and chill for at least 3 hours or overnight for best firmness. To unmold, run a thin knife around the edge and dip the bottom of each mold in warm water for 5 to 10 seconds before inverting onto a serving plate. Garnish with fresh fruit, a drizzle of caramel, or a dollop of whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.